Hello, good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, 2024, April 16. So these are the stock will be covered by today's. Let's starting with the overnight US markets. So overnight US market is in a negative territory. The Nasdaq dropped 1.7%, S&P dropped 1.2%, Dow Jones dropped 0.6%. So the sentiment definitely is a negative sentiment, as if you follow my yesterday market live updates. So I did mention there's a potential trend changings in the US market. So the reason why the US stock dropping is subdued amid of Middle East interest rate fears, and also it did mention that bond yield jump or the Middle East tensions, and the Israel response to Iran. So all these things, the war tension is now triggering the world's pressures to this will bring up the inflations over the world. So let's starting with the USD dollar index. So surprisingly, the US Federal Reserve has been mentioned that they are about to cutting the interest rate. So with the expectation to cutting rate, supposedly USD has to be dropping. But in this case, USD is increasing because the Iran tension, the war tension right over there, a lot of fund flowing to the USD for safe haven. Okay, so this we need to put more attention to the international indexes, USD, crude oil, commodities, or gold price. Maybe we have a look on the gold price. So with the expectation to lower interest rate and the expectation for the dropping in the USD index, USD dominant commodities is going to upside. So for gold is rallying very strong from 2000 all the way to 2004, nearly 2004, and within estimate about 1 month plus times. So this is very fierce sentiments, which means that gold is rising more than 15%, right? 15%, yes, within 1.5 months. So this one we have to be more alert on this type of things. And we check on the oil price. Oil price is on a steady uptrending right over there. So yesterday it start appear one hangman or hammer lights candlestick right over there. So I would say we need to put more attention on the commodity, including crude oil as well, because Iran's all those oil producers countries will bring impact to the oil price. When the oil price climbing higher, so we are expecting inflations will be coming in next round. So we have been experiencing for the core inflations for the past few years, right? So I believe the inflation has not gone yet. It will be stay for quite some while. So I believe in this years, maybe end of this years, you'll feel the things, inflations will be hit up all over the globals, including US lah. So we have looked on the US index, Nasdaq. So we can see the index is already confirmed. Okay, on yesterday morning market live, I did mention there are three days of fierce dropping. So I have been alerting there are potential reversal of the trending for the uptrend. So yesterday overnight is already confirmed that the trending already changing from the uptrending sideways is now negative bias to the downtrending. Okay, so overnight dropping 1.7%. S&P, you can see the trending price action very obvious, right? And the sloping of the curve of simple moving average 20 days is curving down. So we need to put more alert on these things. And the Dow Jones is far more leading indicators comparing to S&P and Nasdaq, because this one is only consists of 30 largest stocks in the US market. So it's dropping, downtrending. So if you are selling any shares, I would say priority you may selling off Nasdaq stocks, I mean technology stock, if you are taking profit from there. So you can take some profit out there. For Dow Jones stock, 30 stocks constituents, I would suggesting you wait for the rebounding. Okay, so the next support will be somewhere around 3,700, 37,140 level. Okay, somewhere around over there. I would say within this box, I can drag this box to longer. So this will be serving as a support level for the Dow Jones. Okay, so I believe we move back to Malaysia. See how is the Malaysia's done yesterday. So overnight Malaysia market is dropping. Let me have a look. Okay, there is no gap round there, so dropping by 0.5%. So the price action last 3 days, I did mention this one is rejection for the resistance, potentially pullbacks. Anyway, the trending remain uptrendings. In the major trending at this moment is sideways trending for the KLCI. Yeah? Okay, we come back to the Malaysia market. So we have a look on the there's some good news. You may notice that the Maybank Trade apps has been grayed out. Okay, Maybank investment is now launching a new apps. They call it Maybank Trade MY. So you can try to download it, the new apps, and try it out for the easy maneuvers, new user interface apps. You can play around over there. I do have some video to guidance you how to placing order, amend order, cancel order, including Mandarin versions of the videos, how to deposit funds, and our posting for the withdrawal video as well today. So, and we come back to the stock pick by the research house today. The first one will be by CGS Pentec. So Pentec Group Holdings, so it's on the uptrending, breakout already 1 month, 1 week ago already broken out, and the trending upside, one closing at 102 level. Stop loss level given is 96 cents, pretty much acceptable extent level. So stop loss is around 8%. Okay, and the target given is 110 and 117. So maybe I can zoom out, have a look on the weekly chart if you want to view for the weekly chart. So pretty much upside. I mean, this one is currently already broken the major resistance for multi years. So that's why they can gauge estimation for rallying more stronger, since the trend already broken out the major trending. So the next topic will be Samaiden. Overnight closing is, sorry, this one is Samaiden, is it? No, Pentec. Okay, Samaiden. So you can see this, the trending is playing for the string. It's a string right over there. How to mention about string? It's pretty much about the trending and the price action for the price. So overnight closing 137, stop loss level given is 124, which is about 13 cents, acceptable around 10% stop loss level, and the target given is 145 and 152. So the blue lines right over there. I will share the charting in the Telegram or WhatsApp channel. You can find the link at the description later on. And the next stock pick by MBank will be Dufu Technology. So you can see that the overall Dufu is on a downtrend since 3 years back, and then it moving sideways since November 2022. So it seems to be there is a trend changing momentum coming in. Anyhow, I would say if you want to joining in for DoFu, you may wait for the pullback for these stocks. So overnight closing 219, and stop loss level given is 196, pretty much acceptable. Yep, pretty much acceptable to me. And the resistance target level would be 240 and 260 over there. So I believe this one will take slightly longer to achieve for this price target. Anyhow, if you like it, you may follow the trading plan. The next stock pick would be by Maybank Investment Bank, which is Bonia Corporations. So overnight, this one is major sideways trending, and there is a momentum coming in to break out the resistance, and it appear to be pulling back for the past 2 weeks, closing at 182. So I believe they're calling this pick is they are expecting for the potential rebounding with a stop loss level 173, acceptable stop loss level 9 cent, target is 195.212, pretty much standard of the what they call support resistance. Anyhow, it's not my favorite for these stocks. So the next stock pick will be LSoft. LSoft is on the sideways trending, so they are expecting for the breaking out. Overnight closing 555, stop loss level 515. So target given would be 60 cent and 69 cent, pretty much standard of the support resistance. Anyhow, the trending for the reversal is not so obvious at current stage, I would say. The next topic would be Systec. So okay, there's a pullback, healthy pullback, and sideways ranging for how many months? I think about more than 5 months, about 5 to 6, 7 months. If you're starting calculating from the October, so the momentum seems to be price action. It seems to be resistance, sideways trading box right over there, breakout, and they are potentially rallying toward the near resistance 4.5, and then followed by 556 cent. Stop loss level given is 405. Volume is 1.8 million. Anyhow, this one is still not my favorite. And another buying point would be the support level for the simple moving average right over there. So the next stock pick covered by Research House UOB would be Petronas Chemical. Petronas Chemical is on the downtrend ranging, so there's no price action breakout at this moment. And the overnight closing is 680, stop loss level given is 656, and the target given would be 725,794. I'm not so sure why they are picking this stock at current stage. Maybe they have others of indicators to showing that they are bullish divergence. Maybe you can turn on the MACD to have a look. I don't need to turn on, I already know there's a divergence, but I don't believe MACD. Okay, so the next stock will be SolarWest. SolarWest is on the healthy uptrending, overnight closing 160. Stop loss level is slightly below the recent swing 148, acceptable, and the target given would be 165 and 194. Okay, it's right over there, healthy uptrending. Yep. So the next stock will be Upstar. Upstar is newly listed stocks, is on a fierce downtrending since listing. So definitely it's not my favorite to trading for the IPO stock and also for the downtrend stocks. Anyway, I believe they are calling for this one. There is a potential reversal. They are expecting for the potential reversal. Overnight closing 121 and stop loss level given is 106. Seems to be too large to me, more than 10% over there. And the target given is 128 and 157. Okay, so if you want to open account, you can check in the description link for the videos to guide you how to open account with Maybank. Reliable platform provided by Maybank Investment Bank. And also 如果你要开户口的话，可以在下面细节那边拿到我的视频，教你怎样去 Maybank 的网站去开启你的股票投资户口啦。And if there's anything you want to communicate, if you want open margin account, you can check in the description link for the WhatsApp as well, so we can communicate from there. So if you want, I will share the all the chartings in the WhatsApp channel and Telegram channels later on. You can get the link in to join the channels to get the charting right over there. Happy trading today. Goodbye.